योगी भाई आए, ठीक है। जब ये आए तो वो तो उसी सीक्वेंस में वो सब कुछ चल रहा है। तो ये हम आए तो
देखो एडिटिंग हो रहा है।
शॉट जो है वो मतलब टू द पॉइंट ही रखते हैं, इसीलिए इतना टाइम लगता है कि एक एक करके, जैसे जैसे 2 कैमरे लगे थे, कभी एक कैमरा चल रहा है, कभी दूसरा चल रहा है।
All this work they has to do, yo. It's not this video comes. So, look how many people are working on.
ठीक है, जैसे जैसे वो जब कुछ हो रहा था, जब कोई चुप है या कुछ भी हिल रहा है, तो वो ये जैसे ही वाज लाइक गिफ्ट दे रहे थे लोगों को, ठीक है। बीच में आपस में बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है यार ये किसको देना है, किसको देना है, माइक वो सब निकल जाता है। तो वो ऐसे ही होता है जी। तो वो पूरा फुल ये इसीलिए इसको टाइम लगता है, ठीक है। ये देखो ये सब
lots of hard work is coming when this video comes, so just pay attention, you know, and
ये नीचे वाला
कैमरा। Thank you for watching. We have the time here, everybody here.
वो टेढ़ा है, वो टेढ़ा है, लोग आ रहे हैं जा रहे हैं, ठीक है। ये देखो कभी वो कैमरा चल रहा है कभी, लेकिन इसमें भी नोटिस करोगे इसमें कोई भी अननेसेसरी नहीं है। जब ये बोल रहे हैं वो शॉट जैसे ये है,
अभी वो गाना भी बहुत बढ़िया था। वो गाना हमको है से इंडिया।
यहाँ तक तो मैं यही रखूंगा, बिकॉज़ जब ये केक कटिंग हो रही है ना, आप गा भी रहे हो, सभी भी गा रहे हैं।
इंडिया का है भाई, हम इंडियन है यार, कैसे नहीं गाएंगे मेरे भाई।
वही बोल रहा हूँ, तो
तिरंगा से प्यारी कोई चीज हो ही नहीं सकती।
ये सब नेचुरली चलेगा। अभी इसको थोड़ा आगे पीछे करना,
सबसे प्यारा हमारा तिरंगा।
तो एक बार इसको करके
कोई सवाल ही नहीं।
यू सी कुछ और चेंजेस करेंगे तो कर देंगे उसमें क्या।
ठीक है भाई। Okay guys, so that's all for me. So it's a lot of hard work, I'm right. Thank you for everything. All these people, teamwork, come on. And then video is coming for next 30 minutes. So many, mostly people, the video, they came from the, photo, everything, they're coming inside. Because so many people there,
Yeah.
જેને જેને ફોટો પડાવ્યા છે આ છે એ પણ શું કહેવાય કે આવશે. Sorry, I have so many followers in my town in India. And they speak only Gujarati. गाम से गाम के अंदर।
ओके।
तो फिर उनको मालूम पड़े, उसके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ। वैसे मेरा इंग्लिश सही है भाई। सही है ना? I'm like, I'm just trying to say, my English is okay. I'm like, I just don't want you to think disrespect, why speaking our language. But so many people in India, in my village, in my गाम, they know how to speak English. That's why I speak Gujarati. So thank you for that. So much hard work coming here. Video coming. Thank you and goodbye. Guys, तो બધાને gift મળી ગઈ છે. Everybody got them gift. પણ 5 એક મિનિટ લોકો 5 gift રહી છે. એક મિનિટ તો 5 gift રહી છે. અમે એને આ રીતે ડિવાઈડ કરી છે. બધા ચશ્મા થઈ ગયા. એક છેલ્લા રેબેન ના રહ્યા છે. તો જોઈ લેજો. ત્રીજા પહેલું ઉપાસ છે ને આ મળશે. ભાઈ પહેલી gift यहाँ से स्टार्ट होगी. ओके, पहली गिफ्ट અહીંયા थी. पहली, बीजी, तीजी, चौथी, पांचवी. अरे भाई मारो नहीं है जीजू टेक वन. एक मिनट ले प्रतीक तू पकड़, पकड़ नहीं ऊपर लो. नहीं
अरे वक्त पहली बार कोई कैसे कि हमारा छेल्लो नंबर आया तो सारे
जे रात जे लोगों ने भीख लाते थे ना पहले तक के लास्ट में या बराबर है. ये भी टेक वन one. Okay. That's a one. Okay. અને ત્યાં અમે પછી હું કહી one થઈ ગયો. અહીંયા રાખી હા one. તો ગિફ્ટ ઉપર મૂકી દો ને. હા. ભાઈ મને ખબર નથી હો, પૂછ કરું છું કોઈ નહીં આવે. સેકન્ડ હમણાં ખબર પડી ગઈ. હા અહીં જો કદાચ આ સસ્પેન્સ રહેશે. And 6. Okay, so let's go. Who will see the number? Go ahead. Like a king, huh? Sadiq bhai. Congratulations, Sadiq bhai. Next. Go ahead. Let's go. Palak bhai. Okay, done.
This one is little bit fun.
हार्दिक भाई
Nice. Oh, Jimmy Chico is very nice. Uh-oh.
कल्पेश भाई
Kalpesh bhai, jo tumhara spy glasses है, हाँ? सब के केस मारो। हमारा तो बिना छो जाओगे यार।
अंकित भाई
अनिकेत भाई
એનો મતલબ કે
એ હા.
રોકી.
યા.
The winner of the year. Thank you. Look at him, he's a winner. Yeah. Thank you guys. He just, this is just for the fun. Thank you for everything. Thank you. This for all your hard working guys. Thank you. This all of them hero for the, the nice party organized. They all the hero for that, So, thank you for that, boy. Thank you guys for coming. And Jai Mataji. Project we're talking about.
People that are coming to support it, then all the negative things.
And we need people from there. We can't like
No, Manhole.
Manhole. We don't want people from other places.
लास्ट टाइम वी
अकेले था मैं तो अकेले
This time I'm going. This time I will come.
you gotta show up.
I will show up. This is our project here. Hey, તમે બોલો
If you don't
શું બનાવો
put some
project?
metal buildings everywhere.
3.7 ને છે.
This is 3.7.
the other side is
No, this is 10.7.
yeah
The 10 or
No. This is for the Elvin one. Gas station વાળો છે.
no, Alvin is over.
આપણે અહીંયા
Oh, આ તો હા અહીંની વાત કરો છો.
Manhole, Avenue is south side.
સાઉથ સાઈડ નું.
3.79.
યસ. એમાં ખબર એક ડીચ જેવો ભાગ છે ને. હા. અહીંયા જે છે ને આ બાજુનું both access plus the shopping center here. That's where the electric,
Oh, you want to put the electric on this?
Uh-huh.
This is where the lot stops, okay, right here.
Yeah, so we have this part is very good in and out both sides. I noticed that.
I mean, right now I'm just using it for detention, but maybe small pervert.
Maybe under detention. નીચે detention ના થાય? Okay, તો પછી very well. Hi.
Calculation કરે તો I don't know.
Okay. અને અહીંયા તમને શું લાગે હોટલ બનાવવા દેશે આ દિયર આ લોકો? હા કીધું છે?
Well, in some ways they
ભાઈ જો તમે લાઈવ છો દિયર
they did say they will support us, saying
Yes,
it's positive, it's out of the way, they want it on the other side, all things are positive.
Everything is positive here. We trying to come money, blue collar, manual people. Come on, guys. Elvin ready to go, am I right?
Okay.
તો પછી હું તો શું કહેવાય? Better than spend money in Dubai, man.
the way is calling us
Yeah.
લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ જે ઓબ્જેક્શન વાળા આવેલા ને
છે.
એમને જ જઈને મળીએ કે ભાઈ યાર ભાઈ આપણું
ના એ લોકો ફરી પાછું પ્રોસિજર કરવી પડશે.
વાત કરવી પડે યાર
So our dream about the car charger. The car charger, what I need ASAP can start. So, bye. Thank you. So, thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you for he's done editing our video, everything. So, Sunil Bhai, thank you, ji. Thank you, ji. Thank you, ji. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, now, so we discussed that. What do we want to do? Yes, no, proceed, don't proceed.
Every time here, it's changing the mind. I know. Every time. Every time. Now we come back again with the whole idea 2 years ago for shopping center. So Nirmal Bhai, he didn't throw him out. He know they will come back again one day, right?
He didn't throw this
કામ
paper.
કરે છે.
આ સૌથી ઓરિજિનલ પહેલા આના શોપિંગ સેન્ટરનો જ પ્રોજેક્ટ હતો. આ પાછળ મોટલો તો હતો જ ઓફિસિયલ.
Hotel તો હતી.
We can.
એ તો પહેલેથી જમીન લીધી એ જ દિવસે નક્કી કર્યું હતું.
Okay, so.
પણ આ બાજુ ચાલશે યાર. Go ahead.
So 10 acres now, detention 2 acres, that's gonna remain. No matter what we do, our detention don't change. So
I know, they are
so
gonna eat my
that
land.
still gives us about 8 acres to develop. Okay.
Yep.
What do we want to develop on this 8 acres? Right now we got about 8,000 square foot retail. We can do 20,000, and I think you'll be okay personally. You
Oh,
could probably, because there's so much stuff coming. Everything is coming slowly and slowly from 288. Everything is being built. So you can go big. I don't think you're gonna have any problems. You can do feasibility study for the retail if you want to do. You can occupy this entire thing. I don't think there's gonna be an issue.
You don't need SUP.
Because there's so much restaurants and there's so much.
there are people calling me.
They're calling you.
Yeah, for the selling the land, and if you will do the some kind of just buy, they can do everything.
Go big.
And I'm thinking, you know what I think?
Go do 10,
No.
10, 10.
Yeah.
Do like 3, 4 of them.
But I really want to do, I want to build nice here, everything. And I want to do, how our community, Dvija community, so we can give them opportunity. Or કોઈને બિચારીને રેસ્ટોરન્ટ કર્યું હોય, કોઈને આપણા માટે nail shop કર્યું હોય, if they want to do that, without down payment, nothing, they can open it. And આપણે આપણને, so we can give them more sugar, brother. અને આપણે અમુક આપણે રાખીએ.
So the other option.
એમાં તો SUP ની જરૂર નહીં, right?
Okay, no
Don't get
ICP on that.
SUP.
But
Yeah.
This-
What is the restriction?
there is no restriction on the retail on the front. We just can't do any gas station within 2 miles of each other and all kinds of mumbo jumbo. So we still have to figure out what we want to do with this.
This
you know,
thing.
this little area. So my idea, because what you just said kind of made sense too. Okay?
Uh-huh.
So I don't know if I'm going these are called office medical condos.
Condo.
Uh-huh.
Very popular.
Very
I would say you could probably occupy this whole
Yeah.
entire thing in the back.
Yeah.
Build however many that fits.
And they are helping community to all come here, right?
Offices.
Yeah, they'll come. If doctor offices, they will come here.
Yeah, everything. It's a very popular right now. People love it.
People love it.
I love it.
Yeah.
I'm involved in it.
I saw in because
Harlem અને વેસ્ટ એરપોર્ટ
Yes.
જનાનીનો પ્રોજેક્ટ છે લાઈક
Yes.
રેસ્ટોરન્ટ
For the
એન્ડ
people.
એવરીથિંગ લાઈક
Yeah.
he make a unique
Yeah.
same thing the Dr. Jada office in the Sweetwater. તમે આખું condom છે ને આખો એ doctor offices. My mom go there check up to that time.
And they have the same plan.
doctor,
Yeah.
restaurant, cafe, everything in one place.
ખરો તો પછી આપણે 8 એકરમાં પણ થાય how many stars we go up
But we cannot go
multiple single stories
Single story only popular. If you go double story, nobody will
Nobody
go
will go
upstairs.
to the second story.
No, and nobody
If I
prefers.
check
It's not
over there,
popular.
हाईवे 6 पे जो है ना कोने पे जो बनाया ना पीछे की तरफ जो है ना ये सारे गैस स्टेशन नए
Nine,
हाईवे 6 and
90.
हाईवे 6 and 90 right at the corner
Oh.
right behind same thing same
If we do second story, we can use for ourselves or something like if our hall or something like community hall or something.
I don't think.
you okay
Yeah.
let me see
She's okay.
it's okay what happened oh see guys it's okay what happened you okay it's okay guys કેમ ભાઈ તમે એકલા એકલા બેઠા છો જોઈ લો એમને તો દાદા નથી ને એટલે સી મિસ દાદા you okay બેટા આમાં બેબી અભિની થઈ ગઈ હા કોઈ વાંધો ખાધું ને બરાબર okay guys so that's all from here thank you for watching and goodbye